first of all, thank you so much to you guys. We hit our 500 subscribers last week. So coming to today's video, you may be knowing by the title that I am recreating flat lays, which is inspired by Instagram. So let's get started. So I was scrolling through Instagram feed and I got such good flat lays that I got an idea to recreate them, and today I am recreating the flat lays. So if those who don't know what are flat lays are just arrangement of objects or props to give it a simple yet attractive look. So today I am going to recreate some of the simple and attractive flat lays which I like so much. So let's get into the video. So the first one is by Lara Designs. So this was an amazing flat lay. This was the one which I liked the most, and also I love the way how it turned out to be. I used eggs. So this one is not only this one, all the flat lays which I recreated are edited by Lightroom and Pixar to give it a better look, and I will show the raw pictures here. And this one was the amazing one. I love the way how it turned out to be. So I would give it 9 out of 10, and yeah, my God. So this is the second one, and this is by Flat Lays by World. So this one is just a tea mug, and it was very simple for me to recreate, so I did this one, and it is created by Photo Edit Ties. So it turned out to be, and it gave an average look, so it is not that good, and also I have edited it with Pixar. So I would give it 7 out of 10. So yeah. The third one is an formal flat lay, which is a arrangement of objects like formal objects, shirt. So I was having the type of this shirt, so I decided to recreate this one, and it was so easy to recreate. So this is inspired by Flat Lay's Instagram page. So basically it is a collection of all the flat lays. So I decided to do this one, and also this one turned out to be good, not that great. So I would give it 7 out of 10. Okay. The next one is a flat lay with a coffee mug again, and this was so easy to recreate actually. I just gathered all the books and just a coffee mug in the middle. So this one turned out to be really amazing comparing to the efforts which I did. So this one I would give 8 out of 10, and this one is inspired by Bookish Coffee Lover. So yeah. Okay, so these two flat lays which I am going to show are not inspired by anything, are not taken from Instagram. So I have made it personally using my mind. So this one is that, and it is made. I have just shown my simple piece of art. I have gathered the jeans and all the needed materials to give it a better look, and it turned out to be great. Actually, from all these flat lays, this one is my favorite one. Also the egg wala, and this one I would give 9 out of 10 because it's just my favorite, and I love the quality it gave to me. Okay, so the next one is this, and it is just made using the beige background, and rope and some beans for to give a rainy look. So this one is the easiest one among all of them, and I would give it 8.5 out of 10. Yeah. So this was something different which I tried today. Hope you guys have liked it, and if you did, you just have to like, share, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and stay tuned till my next video is up, and bye.